Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever wondered about whipping up truly delicious vegetarian meals? It's actually much easier than you think, and the benefits for your health and even the planet are truly amazing. We're going to dive into the wonderful world of plant-based cooking today, breaking it down into simple, manageable steps for anyone. So, let's get started on this flavorful, nourishing journey together, making plant-based cooking a joy. First up, let's talk about stocking your kitchen efficiently. You don't need a lot of fancy ingredients. Just focus on versatile staples like various lentils, chickpeas, and grains such as quinoa or brown rice. Fresh, seasonal vegetables are absolutely key too, bringing so much vibrant color and essential nutrients to your dishes. And never forget those essential herbs and spices. They really elevate every single flavor profile. Now that your pantry is ready, let's explore some super simple cooking techniques. Roasting vegetables brings out their natural sweetness beautifully, making them incredibly flavorful. Stir-frying is another fantastic option for quick, crisp dishes, especially on busy weeknights. And mastering how to perfectly cook grains, like fluffy rice or quinoa, provides a wonderful base for so many meals. When building a vegetarian meal, think about balance for both nutrition and taste. Combine your plant-based proteins, like tofu, tempeh, or beans, with plenty of nutrient-rich vegetables. Adding healthy fats, perhaps from avocados or nuts, helps with absorption and satisfaction. Creating a diverse plate ensures you get all the goodness you need and keeps things interesting, too. Ready for some easy meal ideas? Think vibrant Buddha bowls packed with grains and roasted veggies, or hearty lentil soups perfect for a cozy evening. You could also try quick chickpea curries. They are wonderfully versatile. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and textures, making each dish truly your own. Enjoy the journey of discovering delicious plant-based cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.